In the automotive aftermarket, Ryco Filters have always been known as the leading brand in filtration. But have you ever wondered what originally built and now maintains that reputation? Welcome to the Ryco Filters Training Academy. The answer to that question is based on the performance of the product. And that performance is derived directly from the key measures of efficiency, life and flow, or as we like to call it, ELF. The Ryco design philosophy to meet or exceed OE specifications, coupled with the key measures of ELF, ensures the critical balance of performance and alignment to OE engineered specifications is met every time. All Ryco filters are manufactured to international ISO and SAE standards, which guarantee the filter will endure the rigours of life attached to a motor vehicle. Quality oil filters must comply with either ISO 4548-12, which specifies a multi-pass filtration test with continuous contaminant injection using the online particle counting method and contaminant retention capacity, or SAE HS806, which specifies a test using the gravimetric test method for overall efficiency and capacity. Fuel and air filters must comply with their own ISO and SAE standards. This test procedure determines the contaminant capacity of an oil filter, its particulate removal characteristics, and its differential pressure. There are also ISO and SAE standards for the fuel, air and cabin filters, and separate Euro emission standards for diesel particulate filters. What's the common theme of these standards? All filters must achieve a critical balance between efficiency, life and flow, while aligning to OE specifications. We measure efficiency as a percentage of contaminants that a filter removes at a nominated micron size. Driving efficiency is the type and design of the media the liquid or gas must pass through. Filter media works on the theory of a tortuous path, meaning the more twists and turns contaminants have to take, the more likely they'll be captured. We measure life by determining how long it takes before a filter clogs. The contaminant holding capacity of the filter determines its service life. An engineered balance of media design and material used in its construction will influence the filter's life. Flow is measured as how easily a liquid or gas moves through the filter media. It's critical that the flow specifications of a filter are matched to the OE engineered system to protect and prolong the service life. The impact of not aligning to these specifications or delivering poor flow in a filter will result in advanced wear, reduced power and increased emissions. A balancing act between efficiency, life and flow is needed to design a quality filter. Too much or too little of each measure can be detrimental to the life of complex OE engineered automotive systems. An oil filter with an increased flow will have a long life, as the media will not trap as many contaminant particles, although it will not be efficient at stopping these particles from damaging engine components. An oil filter with a very high efficiency measure will prevent any particles from exiting the filter, although it will have a reduced service life and impact flow, clogging prematurely, causing a restriction in the filter. As soon as this happens, the filter's bypass or relief valve will open, allowing unfiltered oil to flow directly to any moving engine components. This will result in accelerated wear of those engine parts. A filter designed to have an exceptionally long life will not trap smaller particles, therefore leading to severe engine or subcomponent damage. Today's filters are designed as part of a highly engineered system, so it's imperative that quality replacement units matching OE specifications are selected and installed. If a poor quality fuel filter was fitted to a modern common rail diesel engine, the contaminants that pass through the filter are large enough to render a multi-$1,000 fuel system damaged beyond repair. ELF is not just a promise, it's a documented, lab-tested industry standard for automotive filtration, which ensures Ryco filters achieve OE or performance specifications using the key balance of efficiency, life and flow. Anyone can make a filter that looks the same and fits the same as an OE product. But it's the testing and engineering that goes into each Ryco filter that puts us above the competition. Follow the Ryco Filters Training Academy and develop your knowledge with the market leaders in filtration.